No, the guy says it's ready.
We'll get with you.
That one, I don't think that one goes.
Keep
Leave
it.
open. Yeah.
Keep it like that. All right. Diego.
A lot of people say this is
Insanely.
Hey, I knew I was gonna see you here. You been back to the car stereo warehouse in Charlotte?
No, I haven't been there.
I wind up. I put my 215s in my car now.
Really?
Yeah, you remember that Impala I had?
Yeah.
I got them in a Jeep now.
Oh, that's
Hey.
great.
He'll let you meet, bro. Where your brother at?
Right there, and the other one is right there.
Yeah, come on. Remember the picture I showed you on my phone?
What kind of tape is this? What's this called?
I don't know. We use at work. Is I don't know. We use for the walls.
Okay. I was just curious because it's something different. Hair trick?
Huh?
You want a hair trick?
I guess.
This is
A little bit windier now.
Little bitch. You ain't at my crew.
Dude, way bro. That's insanely louder than last time. I appreciate it, Diego.
You're welcome.
Whoa. That's way louder. Oh, thank you for that, man.
I like smoking weed. I like it. I like having sex. I like taking niggas home. Little bitch. You ain't at my crew.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.